warning is part of the annual tornado drill. If this was an actual severe weather event, you would be given information about the hazard. The National Weather Service, the Ohio Emergency Management Agency, and the Ohio Committee on Severe Weather Awareness encourage the use of this time to activate and review your severe weather safety plans. Think about where to go and what you will do in the event of an actual tornado. Repeating, this has been a test tornado warning for the 2024 Ohio Tornado Drill. This concludes the test. We now resume our normal programming. Now here is the official National Weather. Warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Reed, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Morrow, Muskingum, Perry, Chipaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio to KIG 86 Columbus, Ohio.